Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on to this video, and in today's tutorial we'll be draping a simple skirt, and the only measurements that we'll be needing are just the hip measurement of the dress form, which is the widest part on the lower part of the dress form, and also the length of the skirt, or how long we want the skirt to be. So now let's go into the tutorial. So right now I'm taking my measurement from the center front of around the crotch area, and I'm just going to work my way to the side seam, which is 10 1/4. I can still bring it down just to see if there is another part that is wider than the one I just did, and it's still the same, so I think I'm okay for now. I can also flip the dress form just to see if the back of the dress form, the back part, is wider. So this is 11 inches. So this is the measurement I'm going to use, not the front measurement, the back one, since it's wider than the front one. So with the 11 inches, I'll be adding another 6 inches to it, and that would be the allowance, so that I would have enough allowance when draping the skirt. And let's say I want the length of my skirt to be around, I don't know, let's say 18 inches. So the 18 inches, I'm also going to add 3 inches to it. These measurements are what I'll be using to prepare my fabric from. I have this red tape here, this 1/4 inch tape. So I'm going to use it to find my hip level, because that is really important when you're draping the skirt pattern. So I'm going to place it on top of where I know my hip is, and I'm going to extend it to the back and pin it all around. So during the fabric preparation, I measured 10 inches away from the waistline, and that will be our hip level, because you still want excess too. And I also did the same for the other part of the cutout. Now we'll go ahead and start draping. So what we want to do first is to align our line to our hip level line, the line that we created the first time. And we're going to start with pinning this line along this. So make sure that it's aligned, and I want to make sure that I'm not pulling the fabric too. And align the line to the line on the dress form first. Once that is done, you can do the center front.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
From the side here, from the hip, you just trace your hand to the waistline. That way, this will naturally push the excess that we'll be using for our dart. And then you pin the side seam. And then you come to the center front, where you have the line for the darts on the dress arm, and then you pin out your darts. Once that is done, you do your marking on the waistline. Continue with the waistline, and then you venture into the sides like that till you get to the full length, and you cut the excess. Then you flip your dress form to the back, and we still have our hip line. I'm going to take out pin it on the center back. Marking my dart leg legs now downwards. Toward the dart end, then marking it upwards again on the other side, and crossing it, and doing the side. Trimming the excess. The side, what you can do is to start unpinning the back seam, and we'll be folding it inwards so it looks nicer. We'll be pinning it to the front seam like that, so I can complete the marking of the side. So this is how you drape a basic skirt. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.